TERYX 45H2 rear panel polycarbonate, part number 9994217. Estimated assembly time 25 minutes. Push the back half of the roof B upward to reveal the sail panel C hardware. Remove the two screws D that secure the top of the sail panel C to the ROPS rollover protection system. Repeat for the passenger side sail panel. Remove the two socket head bolts, securing the lower portion of the sail panel. Repeat on passenger side. Install the 2-inch clamp 4 and 1.75-inch clamp 5 to the bottom panel 2 using a pan head screw 6 and M6 washer 7 as shown. Tip one side of the bottom panel 2 in the pocket between the airbox and the ROPS, then rotate the panel until it sits flush. Open the clamps around the ROPS. Press down on the top of the bottom panel 2 while locking each clamp into place. Install 3 2-inch clamps 4 in the locations on the top rear panel 1. Tip one side of the top rear panel 1 in the opening between the airbox and the ROPS. Then rotate the panel until it sits flush on top of the bottom rear panel 2. Open the clamps around the ROPS, starting from the outside and working toward the center. Install the 12 push rivets, 3 in the locations shown to secure the top panel 1 to the bottom panel 2. Reinstall the 2 screws D that secure the top of the sail panel C to the ROPS. Repeat for the passenger side sail panel. Lock the 3 2-inch clamps, 4 securing the top panel 1 to the ROPS. Enjoy your Kawasaki genuine accessory.